Today, we're going to talk about placement of the spiral vibration damper, or the SVD. The SVD is installed on conductors to eliminate aeolian vibration. Aeolian vibration is very similar to the vibration in a guitar string, and we want to knock that vibration out of the system. Like a guitar string, by simply touching it, we can install an SVD onto the system, and with it in contact with the conductor, we'll simply knock it out of resonance and keep it from vibrating. So where do we put the SVD? How do I install it? Well, the nice thing about an SVD is it is not placement sensitive. You can put it anywhere on the span in which you need to address. That means I can put it right here at the support location, or I can put it out in the middle of the span. Obviously, we want to put it somewhere where it is convenient to install. So the first thing we want to do is simply wrap it or coil it onto the conductor and snap it in place. Here you'll notice that I'm placing it simply a hand's width away from the last point of contact of hardware at a support structure. That could be a tangent, or it could be a dead end like a termination. Now, you could put it anywhere on the span. You could put it in the middle, you could put it at the other end, but when you need one SVD, you can put it anywhere on the system. At this point, simply wrap it in place, snap it in, and now that damper is in place, it will do its job and keep the vibration off of your system.